Welcome. If you want to set up Face Unlock in your Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro, at the first you have to go for the settings. Next you have to scroll down and find passwords and the security. Click on the Face Unlock. Right now you have to input your currently log method. In my case it's 4-digit PIN. Click next. Right now we have to read the description, and after a few seconds we are able to click next. So right now we have to keep our face right here in the circle. Don't move it on the left or right side. Just look straight into your selfie camera, then click done. And right now let's try if it is working. And as you can see, face is recognized, so we can simply swipe to use our device. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!